What is happening, guys? Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm, and today I've got some help doing chores. Peachy, what's up, girl? You wanna help us do some chores? Let's go. We gotta get the ducklings.
They break it off.
What about the feed? It's okay?
Halfway full.
It's full?
Halfway.
Okay. You still think that was the Indian runner?
I can't tell.
He sure does stand straight up. Two khaki camels.
I don't know what the other.
Don't know what the other one is.
I think it's a
Ruin?
Reuben.
Alright, let's go get the water. Let's do the chickens so the geese will be quiet. You got one over here. Let's let Scott in. Come on, Scott. Oh, Zella's in, I think. No, she ain't. Come on, Zella. Come on, Scott. Throw some out for Scott and Scott. So I've mentioned it before, but what we do is we feed everybody first. We feed all the hens and the peacocks and the turkeys, and some ducks get in here. But basically we keep the geese and try to keep the muscovies out because they eat so much and they'll eat all this food and the chickens won't have any. And then after about an hour or so, we'll open the gate and let them all out so they can free range. Oh, Rod! Otherwise, like I said, if we just open this thing up and fed, the muscovies and the geese would just eat all this food so fast. And don't worry about, don't sweat that you can't get organic feed, or you can't afford organic feed, or you can't get non-GMO feed in your area. Just do the best you can. Let's get the rabbits done. All right, what you want to do? You want to fill up hay, or you want to fill up feed?
Fill up hay.
Okay. Just be careful and don't cut yourself, okay?
Where's all the birds?
That's where I empty nesting box is out. Fix it to. So can you carry that?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get them some hay. I'm going this way. A little bit more. A little bit good.
Can I carry it for you?
Can you carry it? It's gonna be heavy. You got it?
Yep.
All right, let's go. You can just set that out in front of the gate, and we'll go get the scoops. Okay? Well, just sit it right there so they won't. All right, let's go get our scoops.
Broken.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
It's drying out, isn't it?
Yeah, it's drying out. After we built that ditch, it's starting to dry out good. I mean, that ditch helped big time. Bootsy, how much longer you got, baby, with them babies? All right, let's get their hay while they're eating so they won't mess with us. Yep, we're gonna fill up both hay feeders. They kind of waste a good bit, but it's okay.
They use it to lay down on.
That's right. It does make a good floor, don't it? That's what I think. Got it?
Let me get your camera. Those bumblebees, they get in that mud and they drink the water out of it. Right there.
Sunshine. All right, let's go check the chicken water. Look at Scott putting on a show. He's showing out of that chicken. I hear you, Scott.
For some reason, they do it to popcorn and those and that.
She ain't paying no attention, though, is she? Before we clean the rabbit cages out, you want to get Tony and Sugar in and put them in the garden? Okay. We gotta get a feeder and we gotta get a water. You got them? Okay. Oh, there's feed in there? Okay, we'll get them a feeder.
That roof needs to be put up too. Sugar and Tony go up on that little ladder.
They do. Y'all gonna stay in here today, guys. Sumo. That one is named Sumo.
This is
The black silky. Because it looks like a sumo wrestler. That one's cool with the brown on it.
I don't know if it's dirty. I think it's just its feathers.
Oh, it's his feathers. It's not dirty.
That one's chiclet, and then that one right there,
Uh-huh.
a little tiny one that's Blanco.
Blanco.
Or Sugar.
What's the big white one's name?
Chiclet.
Chiclet. And that's Pepper. And Tony and Sugar. The husband and wife.
They get up there and they sit in the top part.
They do get up in here, don't they? Plan this summer is to build a run in using this coop for her favorite chickens. That's coming up at some point this summer. What is it?
I was gonna put the silkies in there and maybe that little Polish just for the when we build that.
I got you.
And I was thinking about making that into a Phantom coop.
Well, we're gonna make this into a coop too.
Yeah, that would be what Sugar and Tony and the rest of the Phantoms would stay probably.
Right here, this is also another project, hopefully coming up this summer. And this is a tree house that we took down, and it needs a little bit of work. Not much, but a little bit. But the skeleton's good. The wall, I mean, this is in great shape. We're gonna make a coop out of this too, for Mary Cross chickens. And what you want to put in it?
The Bantams.
Bantams.
Maybe putting the like the old one that we had. Like put like a little run around it.
Yeah, we're gonna put a run around it for sure. And it's got like a spot up here, but I mean, of course we gotta replace the roof. That's no big deal. But all in all, it's in great shape for a chicken coop, and we can paint it a pretty color.
We could like put the nest, like put 2 nesting boxes in here.
Oh yeah.
2 or 3, and we could like put them like right here so we could just like open a little door or something.
Yeah,
and
that's right.
come out.
What we could do is put the nesting boxes down low, and then I can build a door on the outside.
Yeah. Chicken wire on these.
Chicken wire on the windows, and we'll make a door where we can shut it up at night to make sure nothing gets in here. Marshall, you look like a hippopotamus, don't he?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna mess with you, buddy. I'm not gonna mess with you.
Look at his tail.
I know it looks just like a hippopotamus. Perfect for these bananas. All right, we're gonna back the cart in here and then we'll start dumping the stuff in the cart. Let's start over there and work our way down.
Right here.
All right, dump it out in there. That's what I'm talking about. Good job. And I'll come back and spread all that out. Garlic will be ready for too long. That's it, when the blooms dry out. Come on, fella. One thing I have mentioned with that rabbit manure, it's got all that hay in it. So there's a good chance that that stuff could sprout and cause a weed issue. So my plan is to come back, once I get it all spread out and kind of turned over into the soil, I'm going to just put cardboard over the top of it and smother all the weeds out. Let's see your flip. Whoa! After all that work, we need to get us some lunch. What you want, pimento and cheese sandwich?
Sure.
Sounds good to me. Or peanut butter and honey. Pimento and cheese. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video today. Hey, if you want to see more of us doing chores, check out this video right over here. I think you'll like it. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you're interested in any Cog Hill Farm shirts like this I Can shirt, check out that link right there. Y'all be good.